course, and he just kept looking. But what he did not know is that my cousin is very present on social media, so the picture was bound to come out. So he finally found the picture, and he's like, yo, me found her. And so Frankie's like, and then so he turned the phone around and he's like, this girl, I need to know her name and I need to know how I can reach her. And Frankie was like, what? So he kind of was like, yo, is that you? Is that your ex? Like, what's up? He's like, no, man, that's family. She's too good for you. It's not happening. So in the middle of the conversation, my name came up. So now he had a name. So he was like, okay. So then he called the person who hosted the party. And he said, hey, I'm going to send you a picture. Her name is Vanessa. I think it's François. Do you know her? Do you have her number? So Carl was like, yeah, I can get you in touch with her. So Carl called me. Hey, I have somebody who wants your number. Can I give it to them? But he doesn't want me to tell you who it is. I was like, hell no. And I was like, well, what's the big secret? Why does the person not want me to know who it is? Like, what is that about? That's absolutely not. And so, in my mind, that was that. But I guess Mika just kept on harassing Carl, and Carl kept harassing me. So, I got all kinds of bribes. Listen, I'm gonna take you to the Versace house, let's go have dinner, we can talk about this, can I give him your number though? No.